Hey guys, this is Bosch Serie 4 fridge freezer 779. The energy rating is D for this one, and this is the first look. Nice. You can see what it looks like. No frost. So this one got 3 compartment, 1, 2, 3 here. We also got this one. This is beautiful, very nice, a tall one. This is Bosch Serie 4 fridge freezer 779. This is the first look. Energy rating is D. So this one reduce food waste. This model has special tech that help keep your fruit and veg fresher for longer. Restocking after a big shop. 779. This is Bosch Serie 4.